Chosen one, this is who you will soon become, even you won't recognize yourself. Listen closely, because what I am about to reveal is not small, and if you let this moment slip past you, you may miss a turning point that was meant to change everything in your life. I am telling you plainly that you are not staying the same, and the version of you that stands today is only the beginning of something far greater that I have already set in motion. This change will be so deep, so undeniable, that even you will pause and wonder how you became this strong, this calm, this unshaken. I have been shaping you in ways you did not understand, and now the results are about to surface in your life. Stay with this, because what I am unfolding inside you is a transformation that cannot be reversed and cannot be ignored. Type Amen to affirm your faith. You will soon become someone who does not react the way you used to, someone who does not break under pressure the way you once did. The fear that used to control your decisions will no longer have power over you, because I am removing it piece by piece. The doubt that whispered in your mind will lose its voice, and in its place, a quiet certainty will begin to guide you. You will notice that situations that once overwhelmed you will now feel smaller, almost insignificant, compared to the strength growing inside you. This is not accidental, and it is not something you created on your own, because I have been working within you long before you noticed the change. Before you go any further, take a moment to like this video, because what you are hearing right now is not ordinary, and it may be the very thing that shifts your path in a way you have been waiting for without even realizing it. The person you are becoming will not chase validation the way you used to, because you will begin to understand your worth without needing anyone to confirm it. You will walk into spaces with a quiet confidence that does not demand attention, yet it will be felt by everyone around you. People will begin to respond to you differently, not because they suddenly changed, but because you did. Your energy will no longer match confusion or chaos, and because of that, you will start attracting peace, clarity, and opportunities that once seemed out of reach. This is the version of you I have been preparing, and it will not be hidden for much longer. There were moments when you thought you were being delayed, when you felt like nothing was moving and nothing was working. You questioned why things were not happening for you the way they seemed to happen for others. But what you did not see was that I was strengthening your foundation, making sure that when your time came, you would not collapse under the weight of what I was about to give you. I allowed certain struggles to stay longer, not to harm you, but to build you into someone who could carry more without breaking. And now, that process is reaching a point where you will begin to see the results in ways that cannot be denied. Type 777 to affirm your belief. The transformation you are stepping into will affect every area of your life, not just one part. Your thoughts will begin to change, and with that, your actions will follow. The habits that once held you back will start to fall away, not through force, but because they will no longer feel aligned with who you are becoming. You will begin to choose differently, speak differently, and even respond to people in ways that reflect the growth happening inside you. This is how you will know that the change is real, because it will not feel forced, it will feel natural, like something that was always meant to happen. There will be people who will not understand this new version of you, and that is something you must accept without fear. They may question you, they may doubt you, and some may even try to pull you back into the version of yourself that they were comfortable with. But you are not returning to who you were, because I am calling you forward into who you are meant to be. You cannot shrink yourself to fit into spaces that no longer align with your growth. What I am building in you requires space, requires strength, and requires a level of awareness that not everyone around you will share. You will begin to notice that your peace becomes more important than proving a point. You will no longer feel the need to explain yourself to those who choose not to understand you. This is not weakness, this is maturity, and it is a sign that you are stepping into a higher level of awareness. You will conserve your energy, focus your attention, and invest your time in what truly matters. This shift will protect you in ways you did not expect, because not every battle is meant to be fought, and not every voice deserves your response. I am also preparing you to handle blessings that are approaching your life. These are not small changes, and they are not temporary. The doors that will open for you will require you to think differently, to act with intention, and to trust yourself in ways you have not before. This is why I have been working on your mindset, your patience, and your resilience. Without these, what is coming could overwhelm you, but with them, you will stand steady and ready. You may feel this shift already, even if you cannot fully explain it. There is a sense inside you that something is different, something is changing, and you are not the same person you were before. That feeling is not your imagination. It is confirmation that the process is real and active. You are stepping into a new version of yourself, one that carries strength, clarity, and purpose in a way that will shape your future. What if the real reason most manifestation methods do not work has finally been explained? A top neuroscientist linked to CIA research says, without the right brainwave, results stay inconsistent. This 7-second ritual, supported by 4 neuroscience labs, is helping people approach money differently and improve their direction. Many are now stepping into dream homes, buying luxury cars, and enjoying luxury vacations they once thought were out of reach. But this information might not stay available online. Click the link in the description and comments before it gets removed. And when this transformation fully reveals itself, you will look back at who you used to be and barely recognize that version. Not because you are rejecting your past, but because you have outgrown it. You will understand why certain things had to end, why certain people had to leave, and why certain doors had to remain closed. Everything you went through had a purpose, and it was all leading you to this moment. This is how you will know that the transformation is not just external, but deeply rooted inside your spirit. I am not just changing your circumstances. I am rebuilding you from the inside out, so that nothing outside of you can destroy what I have created within you. Type 1111 to affirm your belief. You are becoming someone who sees clearly, someone who is no longer blinded by confusion or influenced by every voice around you. Your discernment is growing stronger, and you will begin to notice things that you once overlooked. You will understand people's intentions without them having to speak, and you will sense when something is not right without needing proof. This is not something to fear. It is a gift that I am sharpening within you so that you can walk wisely and avoid what was once meant to harm you. You will not fall into the same traps again, because you are no longer the same person who once did. There is a strength rising in you that does not depend on circumstances, and that is what will set you apart. This strength will not disappear when things become difficult, and it will not weaken when you face challenges. Instead, it will grow even stronger in those moments, reminding you that you are capable of handling what comes your way. You will begin to trust yourself more, not because you suddenly became perfect, but because you will feel the guidance I have placed inside you. That inner voice will become clearer, steadier, and impossible to ignore. There were times when you felt like you were losing yourself, like you did not know who you were anymore. But what you did not realize was that you were not losing yourself. You were shedding the parts of you that no longer belonged in your future. I was removing what was not aligned with your purpose, even when it felt uncomfortable and confusing. That discomfort was part of the process, and it was necessary to make space for what you are about to receive. Now that space is opening, and what will fill it will be far greater than what was removed. You are also becoming someone who values silence more than noise, someone who understands the power of stepping back instead of reacting immediately. This will protect your energy and give you clarity in situations where you once felt overwhelmed. You will no longer rush into decisions driven by emotion, but instead move with intention and awareness. This change will guide you toward better outcomes, because you will no longer act from a place of confusion or pressure. You will move from a place of understanding, and that will make all the difference. Type 2222 to receive blessings. There will be moments when you look at your life and realize that everything has shifted, even if it happened gradually. The people you surround yourself with will change, not because you rejected them, but because your energy no longer aligns with what once felt normal. You will naturally move toward environments that support your growth and reflect your new mindset. This is not isolation, it is alignment, and it is necessary for what I am building in your life. You are being positioned in spaces where you can grow, thrive, and step fully into your purpose. As this transformation continues, your confidence will no longer come from external validation. It will come from a deep understanding of who you are and what you carry inside you. You will not feel the need to prove yourself to anyone because you will already know your value. This will free you from the pressure of trying to meet expectations that were never meant for you. You will begin to live more authentically, making choices that reflect your true self, instead of trying to fit into what others expect from you. I am also teaching you to release control, to trust that not everything needs to be forced or figured out immediately. You have spent so much time trying to manage every detail, trying to ensure that everything goes according to your plans. But what I am preparing for you requires a level of trust that goes beyond your own understanding. You will learn to move forward without needing to see the entire path, knowing that I am guiding each step. This trust will bring you a sense of peace that you have not felt before. The person you are becoming will not fear change, because you will begin to understand that change is not your enemy. It is part of your growth, and it is what allows you to move forward into what is meant for you. You will no longer resist it, but instead embrace it, knowing that each shift is bringing you closer to your purpose. This mindset will open doors for you that you once thought were closed forever. You will see opportunities where you once saw obstacles, and you will move through life with a sense of confidence that cannot be shaken. You are also being prepared to receive more than you have ever experienced before. This includes not only material blessings, but also emotional and spiritual fulfillment. You will find yourself in a place where you feel complete, not because everything is perfect, but because you have found balance within yourself. This is something that cannot be taken away from you, because it is built on a foundation that I have strengthened over time. What you are stepping into is not temporary, it is lasting and deeply rooted. Have you heard about the private group of neuroscientists working on brainwaves connected to money? A top researcher revealed this work was based on CIA studies not meant for public release yet. The result is a simple 7-second ritual, validated by 4 neuroscience labs, now practiced at home. Many who once struggled financially are now living in dream homes, owning luxury cars, and taking luxury vacations. But this page could disappear without warning. Click the link in the description and comments before it vanishes. There will be people who will notice this change in you before you